Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Nomvdic P2000UST-RGB 4K projector. This ultra-short throw projector promises stunning visuals and impressive audio, making it a contender for your home cinema setup. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the design. The Nomvdic P2000UST-RGB boasts a sleek, modern look with a stylish aesthetic that sets it apart from traditional boxy projectors. It's not lightweight though, weighing in at 10.6 kilograms, which suggests it's meant for a more permanent installation. The projector features a triple laser RGB light source and a 25-watt Harman Kardon speaker system, emphasizing both visual and audio quality. Setting up the P2000UST-RGB is straightforward. Thanks to its ultra-short throw capability requiring only 17 centimeters from the screen to project a large image. It supports screen sizes from 65 to 150 inches, which is ideal for various room sizes. However, note that it lacks built-in smart TV features, though it does come with a Fire TV Stick 4K and some bundles for streaming needs. Moving on to the most critical aspect, picture quality. The projector delivers a bright and vibrant 4K UHD resolution, achieving 2500 ANSI lumens and covering 100% of the BT.2020 color space. This ensures vivid colors and sharp details, perfect for both movies and gaming. Initial color profiles may need tweaking for optimal performance. But once adjusted, the image quality is impressive with excellent contrast and brightness. Now, let's talk about audio. The built-in Harman Kardon speakers produce rich, immersive sound with support for Dolby and DTS technologies. It's a standout feature, offering a robust audio experience without the need for external speakers. Though enthusiasts may still opt for a dedicated sound system for a cinematic feel. In terms of user experience, the projector excels with its user-friendly OSD. For adjusting settings like keystone correction, zoom, and warp adjustments. It's great for fine-tuning the projection to suit different viewing environments and preferences. The remote control is intuitive, though having separate remotes for the projector and Fire TV Stick can be a minor inconvenience. Considering its price point, the Nomvdic P2000UST-RGB offers good value for enthusiasts looking for high-quality 4K projection and immersive sound. It's competitively priced against similar models in the market, though the lack of integrated smart TV features might be a drawback for some users. Overall, if you prioritize excellent picture and sound quality and don't mind the initial setup and adjustment process, this projector is a solid choice. To wrap it up, the Nomvdic P2000UST-RGB impresses with its stellar 4K visuals, robust audio performance, and stylish design. It's geared towards users who appreciate quality over convenience, making it ideal for dedicated home theater setups. If you're willing to invest in a reliable projector for your entertainment needs, this could be the one for you. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.